Name's John Searcy. I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about using mouse sticks and the mouse sticks that I manufacture and sell. But first, a little bit about me. I have been a C4 quadriplegic since 1987, which is about 29 years at the time of this video. And during that time, I have relied extensively on the use of mouse sticks for my productivity and efficiency. Graduated college, which required me to write a lot of papers, some of which were 20-page papers. I've worked, I spend probably 8 to 10 hours a day in front of the computer using a mouse stick. Now, some of you might wonder, well, what about some of the other technologies out there? Why don't you use that instead of mouse stick? And I've tried drag and dictate and the voice-activated software. Found it very frustrating, and at the end of the day, I learned that I could type much faster with my mouse stick. I could control my trackball much easier, and I was more independent with it. And productivity and independence is a key. I know there are other technologies out there like head pointers and eye pointers, laser pointers. I've messed around with those some as well, but at the end of the day, I always end up coming back to the mouse stick because it's simple, it's efficient, I can be independent with it, and I'm very productive with it. I reach over here, I grab it, I type, I run my mouth ball. I have it on my chair. I operate my remote controls with it. I turn lights on and off. I move things around. I could sign papers. I use it on my smartphone. So for me, mouse stick's just a way to go for productivity, independence, and efficiency. Why my mouse sticks? Why did I start making mouse sticks? Well, my old mouse stick broke. I'd had it for probably 20, 25 years, and they didn't make them anymore. I can't find it. So I went online and I tried some of the resources that are out there. First stick I bought came in the mail, was made of flimsy aluminum, flimsy plastic, broke right away, and even when I tried to use it, it was so inefficient because it flexed so much. It was just terrible. The mouthpiece sleeves bit through them almost immediately, really in the first day. And so I ordered another one, same thing, flimsy plastic mouthpieces, flimsy aluminum, sleeves were, not durable enough, bite right through them. And, frankly, the reason why they make the plastic mouthpieces is because they're easy to manufacture. They're cheap. You get the mold, you blow plastic in it, and you glue it on the aluminum tube. Super easy to make, but they're just cheap and flimsy and inefficient. And it's important when you have a mouse stick and you use a mouse stick, and it's your productivity link, that it be efficient and comfortable. That allows you to work longer and be more productive. So I ordered another one that I thought would be a little more durable, and it was more durable, but it was super heavy. I really don't think it was designed by a user. The mouthpiece design was not very good, and same thing with the sleeves. Too soft, bite right through them. So, I just got frustrated. I said, man, when you rely on a mouse stick in your mouth for your productivity and to work, you deserve to have a product that is efficient and works well. I mean, it just was ridiculous. So I said, I can do better than this. I can make a mouse stick. So I started out with a couple of goals. First, to make it stiff. I've accomplished that. My sticks are made out of high-tech materials, aircraft aluminum and carbon fiber. They're durable. They're strong. They may not be the prettiest, but they are light and they are stiff. My sticks on average weigh about 1.5 ounces. My bite sleeves are very, very durable. They will last you months. And the other thing that I wanted to work on was a conductive tip. The tips that were out there that were conductive were either too slippery or too soft. So yeah, they worked good on phones and touchscreens, but you couldn't use them for anything else. You couldn't type with them. You couldn't use a trackball with them. you couldn't turn a magazine page or anything that was a little slick. So I developed a rubber tip that was grippy but also conductive, and it works good. Now, one of the things that's also important about my sticks is that they can be custom made, custom configured, custom lengths. And I know that some people try to buy telescopic sticks, and I've had them in the past, and frankly, it's a waste of time and money because I never ever used my telescoping aspect of my stick. First, because I couldn't independently change the length. I had to have somebody do it, which kind of defeats the purpose. And when I did change it, or if I did change it, I found that using a stick of a different length took me out of my rhythm. So I found it's very important to have a stick that's the same length for everything. So that means that what you need to do is you need to get your setup that's custom to you. You need your custom setup for where your keyboard is so that it's the proper distance away, it's the proper angle away. And then you get a mouse stick that's custom designed for your setup. I can provide that. I can provide any length. I can provide any angle. So I think you should give my sticks a try. If you have any questions, feel free to call me or email me or text me. I'll be happy to talk to you about it. If you order one of my sticks and you're not happy with it, I'm happy to return your money, refund your money, give you a guarantee on it, no problem. And again, like I said, I know my sticks may be a little more expensive, but for the price of a nice dinner and a movie date, you can have a stick that's going to be efficient and comfortable and last you a long time and help you with your productivity. So give me a try. I appreciate your business. Take care. Bye.